Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about small space kitchen design ideas. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thank you. Dear viewers, small kitchens can be charming, but they often come with their own set of challenges. Limited space and storage can make keeping things organized, functional, and visually appealing difficult. But that does not mean you have to live in a cramped, unutilized space. You can transform your small space into an efficient and stylish haven with these designing ideas and clever space-saving solutions. Don't let valuable wall space go unused in a compact space. Install wall-mounted shelves, hanging racks, or pegboards to store pots, pans, and dishes. This not only free up valuable counter space but also creates a visually appealing display. Maximize unused space by storing items on the top of your appliances, such as microwaves or fridges. Use stylish baskets or trays to keep things organized and maintain a clean, clutter-free look in your small kitchen. Ensure you are not blocking airflow, as that can cause a potential hazard. Draw the eye upward by using tall, slim cabinets and shelving units that reach the ceilings. This vertical design element creates the illusion of a larger space in a compact kitchen, while providing additional storage for your kitchen essentials. Utilize every nook and cranny in your small kitchen by installing corner cabinets or shelves. These can be custom built or purchased to fit snugly into awkward spaces, making the most of otherwise wasted areas. In a small kitchen, every inch counts. Extend your cabinets up to the ceiling to maximize storage space and create a streamlined look. This will also draw the eye upward, giving the illusion of a taller room. If you have limited pantry space, consider installing a pull-out pantry system. These slim vertical storage solution can be tucked away between appliances or cabinets, providing easy access to your dry goods and canned items. You can also use it to store cutting boards, pots and pans, and other frequently used items. In a small kitchen, every inch counts. Create a makeshift pantry using a narrow bookcase, freestanding shelf unit, or wall mounted shelves. Store dry goods, canned foods, and other pantry staples in an organized and easily accessible manner. Opt for storage solutions that work harder for you, like pull-out shelves, rotating corner cabinets, or door-mounted space racks. These smart storage options make it easier to find and access items while keeping your kitchen organized. Think outside the box and repurpose furniture pieces for additional storage. An old dresser can be converted into a kitchen island with added shelves, or a bookcase can provide extra space for cookbooks and decorative items. Balanced open and close storage in your small kitchen to keep it looking uncluttered yet interesting. Open shelves provide easy access to frequently used items, while closed cabinets hide less visually appealing essentials. Go for a simple backsplash tile or paint the wall a neutral color so they don't clash with the open shelves. Choose slimmer cabinets to free up precious floor space in your tiny kitchen. Slimmer cabinets still provide ample storage without overwhelming the room, making it feel more open and spacious.